Right. We are going to create a web page today because yesterday we had a theory lesson. Yeah, people, we had a theory lesson where we look at different HTML tags. So now those tags that we discussed yesterday, we are going to use them now to create a web page. Okay. So we're going to create a simple HTML document. Going to format it. We're going to change colors. We're going to change. So basically, we're just going to format it, and then we see how it's going to be displayed when we run it or when you open it using one of the browser. Okay. So who can tell me, guys, what application are we using or that you can use to create a web page? Which application are used that you guys know? Okay.
Me, I don't know, sir.
Okay, it's Notepad++. We have been using Notepad++ ever since. Anton.
Oh, Notepad. Yes.
Yes.
Notepad++.
Listen, people, there are so many applications out there that you can use to create web pages, websites. Yeah. Okay, let me just mute you all. Let me mute you all. I'm going to mute you all because your background is disturbing. Perfect. Okay, I hope you can hear me. Yeah. So what you're going to do is we're going to create a simple HTML document. So and then the application that you are going to use for this course is Notepad++. Okay. I have already sent you a link yesterday. Let me quickly unmute you so that we can. Okay, people. Guys, did you see the link that I sent you yesterday? Talk to me, people.
On which platform, sir?
Yes, on the Moodle. I have sent that link for you to download Notepad++.
There's no link on the model, sir.
Are you sure?
No.
There's
I
nothing.
did not see it.
But did you see the notes?
Only notes. Yes, we got the notes.
Yes.
But under the description, did you see under description area?
So the notes.
Actually,
Did you look at under description area?
Notes.
Talk to me, guys.
In the
I
notes,
put
sir. There's nothing, sir.
Okay, what is under description? Did you see some? Did you see some messages there? Did you see some text? Did I write something in the description? Clef? Okay, guys. I have already forwarded the link for you to download the Notepad++ application, because this is the application that you're going to use. Because it's the application that you're going to use to design or to create websites in this course. Okay, and I've posted that link under the description under is it topic I think it's topic 4. If it's not under topic 4, then it's 3. Just check in between those, but I think it's under topic 4. On the model, go to your the model and website under web design. If you look, if you check, if you read under the description area, I've pasted the link. You should see it, because I even made it clear that if you should download the right application. If your system is running, your system type it's a 64-bit, then there's a link for that. If it's a 32, then there's also a link for that. I posted in the on the model yesterday. Okay, so guys, you need to go back to the model, login, and then access the link. Okay, so the orders remain the same. If you have got a question, please raise up your hand or write up in the chat window. I will allow you to talk or to ask whatever you want to ask. Okay. So we are continuing where we left yesterday. So yesterday, basically, we were just on theory, looking at HTML tags, and yeah. So now today we are going to do it practically. We are going to create an HTML document, a simple one. Okay. All right. So what you do is you open. If I'm too fast, guys, you need to let me know. If I'm too slow, let me know as well. Okay. So you open, you launch your Notepad++. I was thinking you guys, you have already downloaded that and you have installed it onto your PC. Matty, which assignment is that? Okay, let me unmute you quickly. Okay, Matty, can you speak up now?
Sir.
Yes.
I heard some people who were saying something about assignment which is not visible on WhatsApp group yesterday.
Oh, but that is, I don't know, that is now the distance group, distance, those are distance assignment.
It's for distance people.
Yeah, distance students, yes.
Yes.
But your assignment,
He said he will give us.
yes, yes, because I want us to do CSS before I give you an assignment, which is I'll give it to you early next week, okay? Because I want us to tackle CSS, because that's what you have to use in your assignment, okay? Because you have to create for me
Okay.
a website using CSS, okay? So I want us to look at CSS first, and then I can give you an assignment, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Yes, both of the subject, ITS and web design. Okay, that's to next week. Right. So I was thinking you guys have already downloaded the application that you're going to use. So it's Notepad++. So let me quickly share it. Okay. So people, this is the application that you're going to use for creating website. We call it Notepad++. If you check here, all right. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do before you start coding, before you do whatever, you need to create a folder on your desktop. You have to create a folder on the desktop where we will be keeping all your files that you are going to use when you're creating your website or your web page. Yeah. So you create a folder and then you name it, and then you store everything. You store everything onto that folder. Okay. Let me quickly create a folder. Okay, assuming that we have created a folder, I have one on my desktop that I've created where I've put all the files that I'm going to use. Okay. Right, guys, I've shared this. Can you see the Notepad++ on my screen? Please type in the chat window if you can see my the Notepad++ file. Can you please type in the chat window if you can see it? Type yes if you can see it. Yes, Anton? Cliff, yes. Only 2 people. Where are the rest? Can you guys see my file? This file here. Please type in the chat window. Yes. Okay, if 2 people can see it, then everybody should see it. So let's start. I want you guys to say something. So let me just unmute you. Make sure that your background does not disturb us, please. So whatever noise you have in the background, please switch everything off, okay? So you need to be in a quiet place, yeah? Because I don't want to do this myself. You guys, you need to participate just for me to check if you understood yesterday's lesson, okay? So let me just unmute you. Guys, make sure that your background doesn't give us a problem.
So for me, I'll be asking and talking. I'll just mute myself for meantime.
What is that, Phil?
Yeah, I'm in the sitting room.
Okay, now someone's music is on. Okay, so people, this is where we start. You need to have this application, you need to have this Notepad++ installed onto your PC, yeah? So the first thing that you do is you go to file, you need to save this, okay? Okay, or you can just, yeah, you need to save this. You need to open it, and then this is my first page. This is my first page, right? It's already saved. Now, if I want to, you can have a lot of them here, displayed here, right? Because remember, we have got different web pages where you can do whatever you want, okay? So to bring in, to launch new pages, what you do is you go to File, and then you click on New, okay? Right? Okay, so this is the first one, this is the second one. Let's insert 5 of them. File, and then you go to New, and this one. So you've got 5 pages for web saved. So we need to save them one by one. Okay, so we go to the first one here, we click on it, and then we go to File, Save As. If I'm too fast, people let me know. Okay, and then you give it a name. So the file name should be, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see this Save As box? Can you see?
Yes, sir, we can see it.
Okay, right. Okay, and then I said, remember I said in the beginning that you should create a folder where you are saving all your things, okay? I've already created mine, so this is the folder. Computer.html. Then you click on open so that it's okay. You go to File, Save As. Then what name should you give to this web page? People, what name should you give it to this?
Name it Santos.
Memory. Okay. And then you click on save. Okay, so it's saved in that folder. Okay, can you see now the name have changed? Okay, we do the same to this one. Go to File, RAM. .html. Very important. Don't forget the extension. Save as. Okay. Now we need to code. We need to put to write down the HTML code to create web page. So what is the first thing that we need to type in? Yes, people?
Doc type. Doc type.
The document type, right?
Yes.
Yes, Anton, you are right. Okay, why are we having that? Why are we typing the document? Is my network cutting, guys?
Yes.
So it just gives information to the browser.
Okay, it gives the information to the browser that
Yes.
it should expect, or when it's open in this document or this file, should expect it, or it should, it's
I
an
can't hear you well.
Can you not hear me? Hello, guys? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I don't know if you use my network or your network.
I think it's yours. Mine is
Because I can't
fine.
hear you well. It's like your network is cutting or is my network, I don't know.
Is everyone experiencing this, guys? Hello? What is happening now?
So the network. So you even missed out the exclamation mark.
Yes, yes, yes. I did that deliberately because I wanted to ask you what is missing there. Okay, but can you all hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you, sir.
Okay. So so I left the exclamation mark here. So that was supposed to be there, right? Okay. And then what is the next thing that I need to do?
HTML tag.
HTML tag. Okay. So now the good thing about Notepad++, people, if you just type in HT, can you see that there will be a window with that pop up? So it's give you all the HTML tag that start with that. And then what you do is you just click on it. You can either press the enter key from the keyboard or you can just double click on it. So this is a good thing about Notepad++, whereby with the other applications, you need to know the name of, or you need to type in the exact tag name, okay? The title is there. So what you do is just click on it. So this elements so please create another Are we all following, guys? But remember, we said the HTML it houses everything. So everything that you want to for it to appear in the on the document, it should be in between the HTML tag. All right. Okay.
See,
Yes.
for the HTML tag, can I say something like it's like the parent?
Yeah, it is. Or what do you mean? What do you mean by as if it's a parent?
Because it gave birth to the other.
It gave.
Because let me say,
Now let's go into
Computer.
computers, right? Okay. Now, so let's quickly run this. Let's open this page using what? A certain web browser. So what you do is, so this should appear in the title. This should appear as our title, okay? So what you do is you just go to run. Can you see the run command here? Okay, you click on it, and then you choose any browser here that you want to open this code with, that you want to run this code with, okay? So let's start. Okay, wait just a moment. Yeah, it's coming, it's coming. Let me share it with you so that you can see it.
We can see it, sir.
Okay, you can see it now. So this is the title,
Yeah.
okay? So this is the title that I just inserted there. So you see, we said computers, right? Okay. So now what you're going to do is,
I've got a question, sir.
yes, go ahead.
Now, this link you have created, are you using internet or is just offline?
It's offline. You can do it offline. And then when it comes to now the part of hosting, because if it's offline, then there is no one who is going to access your website, right? So once you are done creating a website, you take to the companies that are hosting, right? So that it can be accessible by anyone. Are you with me?
Yes, I
sir.
got it.
Okay, now this is what you're going to do. We're going to create a simple, can you see on my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what you are going to do. This is what you're going to do. We're going to create a simple, this is just a page that was created by somebody, by someone else, using all these basic things, using all these things that we are going through here, okay? So the most important thing that you guys need to know is the different HTML tag. Like if I want to insert an image, okay, like this one here, if I want to insert this image.
Which one, sir?
Okay, let's say, wait. I don't know why it's my laptop so slow. Okay, this image here, this who is in need of computer power are selling computer parts. You can just log in and